In CNC machining, the difference between average and pro-level setups often comes down to two things: standardization and consistency. These principles don't just improve your work, they define your reputation. Consistency is a secret weapon in both work and life. When you consistently show up on time, help others, and focus on improving your skills, people notice. Consistency transforms. It builds trust, opens doors to opportunity, and lays the foundation for long-term success. Standardization is about working smarter. By standardizing tool stations, paperwork, and common processes, you save time, reduce mistakes, and improve efficiency. Instead of reinventing every setup, you create a reliable system that works every time. In G3 CNC Setup Pro, we discover the secrets of utilizing consistency with smart standardization to elevate your performance with CNC machine setup to the pro level. That's what the G3 CNC Setup Pro training course is all about, helping you transform your setups, your results, and your career.